This video we are going to talk about hiccups. So hiccups are caused because of the rapid spasmodic contraction of your diaphragm as well as the intercostal muscle. Now these are the accessory respiratory muscle. They take part in respiration. So whenever there is rapid contraction of your diaphragm, this is usually followed by rapid closure of your vocal cord, and that result in rapid rush of air inside your lung that produces the hic sound. So you have hiccups. Now based upon duration of hiccups, it can be classified into either transient, which will last for a few minutes, persistent, which will last for more than 48 hours, or intractable, which will last for more than 1 month. So transient is non-serious condition. It will go away on its own. It is self-limiting. But when you have persistent or intractable hiccup, you must go and visit your doctor, because this is due to certain underlying medical condition. Transient hiccups mostly is caused because of either excitement or when you eat too much food, that will cause rapid distension of stomach, or when you eat very fast, that in that you will swallow large amount of air, and that can cause distension of the stomach, or when there is emotional stress, that can also cause hiccup, or when you drink carbonated water or spicy food, that can also cause hiccups for some people. For some people, alcohol is the triggering factor. So for transient hiccups, you can do certain natural things, and the principle of natural remedies is based on distraction. So you have to interrupt this arc, hiccups reflex arc, and reset your brain. So you have to shift the focus from this to something else. So there are certain things that you can do, like drinking cold water, or drinking from the far end of the glass, or carotid sinus massage, or holding in breath. That will increase your CO2. So when CO2 is increased, your brain now focuses on ventilation. So increased CO2 will inhibit the rapid contraction of your diaphragm, and that can prevent hiccup. Then biting on a lemon, or taking shot of apple cider vinegar, or taking in some 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. So these are the natural remedies that can work for hiccups. But if you have persistent or intractable hiccups, you may need pharmacotherapy. Often baclofen or chlorpromazine or gabapentin or metoclopramide, these drugs are prescribed